So, Jai Hind everyone. Today I will talk about El Nino and Super El Nino, how it will affect India, and what government has taken the steps to mitigate the situations that will be occurred by it, and what a person can do on his own to reduce this problem. That understanding what is El Nino and Super El Nino. Basically, what happens in the Pacific Ocean, trade winds carry the warm ocean currents toward the Australia and Asia, due to which usually rain occurs in India. But due to the when El Nino phenomena occurs, the trade winds weakens, due to which the warm ocean current that earlier go towards the Australia side from the Peru coast is done opposite. Now the water comes from the Australia side to the Peru coast, due to which the air moves from the Australia towards the Peru, and due to which air can't be go towards India and Asia. By that, the rain, the earlier the air that goes towards India and do rain cannot go towards India, and due to which rain is not occurred in India. Now, talking about how it will affect India. First of all, as I have already mentioned, that it will be less rain due to this phenomena. The strong version of El Nino is called the Super El Nino. So that's why, due to which there will be no rain, and the average temperature of India will be increased. Very much heat waves will be there in India this time. Now, talking about impacts, how it will impact India moreover. So it will reduce the farming, will have a hurdle for the farmers, destroy the crops, and also affect the, due to the increasing temperature, it will affect the labor. Secondly, it will affect the economy of the India, due to which farmers cannot grow the crops. It will increase the inflation, and more, and directly it will affect the GDP of the nation and the economic growth. To avoid from it, government has taken initiatives such as giving for the PM Kisan Yojana loans for the fasals and the bima for the fasals. Now, talking about what individual can do, an individual can stop the taps that are running, wasting water, and can provide water for the workforce who is working in one's locality, and can give water to the small trees around the locality, and should focus more on drinking water again and again for the children and the old, because by the heat waves there is much for these people. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.